જેનું ઉલાટી પલાટ્યું આપ ये संत स्वयं हरि धन्य धन्य ये संत सुजाने धन्य धन्य ये संत सुजाने જેનું ઉલાટી પલાટ્યું આપ ये संत स्वयं हरि आप टળી મળ્યા ભગવાન માં आप टળી મળ્યા ભગવાન માં જેના આપમાં હરિના છે વ્યાપ ये संत स्वयं हरि જેના આપમાં હરિના છે વ્યાપ ये संत स्वयं हरि धन्य धन्य ये संत सुजाने જેના શીશમાં શીશ છે શ્યામનું જેના શીશમાં શીશ છે શ્યામનું જેના નેણમાં નાથના નેણ ये संत स्वयं हरि धन्य धन्य ये संत सुजाने જેના મુખમાં મુખ મહારાજનું જેના મુખમાં મુખ મહારાજનું જેના વેણમાં વાલાના વેણ ये संत स्वयं हरि જેના વેણમાં વાલાના વેણ ये संत स्वयं हरि धन्य धन्य ये संत सुजाने જેના કાનમાં કાન છે કૃષ્ણના જેના કાનમાં કાન છે કૃષ્ણના જેના નાકમાં નાસિકાનાથ ये संत स्वयं हरि જેના નાકમાં નાસિકાનાથ संत स्वयं हरि धन्य धन्य ये संत सुजाने જેની જીભમાં જીભ જીવનની જેની જીભમાં જીભ જીવનની જેના હાથમાં હરિના છે હાથ ये संत स्वयं हरि જેના હાથમાં હરિના છે હાથ ये संत स्वयं हरि धन्य धन्य ये संत सुजाने જેના હૃદયમાં હૃદય હરિતણું જેના હૃદયમાં હૃદય હરિતાણું, જેના પાવમાં પ્રભુના છે પાવ, એ સંત સ્વયં હરી. જેના પાવમાં હરિના છે પાવ, એ સંત સ્વયં હરી. ધન્ય ધન્ય એ સંત સુજાણને, જેમાં હીરો હીરા વડે વિંધીએ, જેમ હીરો હીરા વડે વિંધીએ, તેમાં થયો તે સહજ સમાવ, એ સંત સ્વયં હરી. તેમાં થયો તે સહજ સમાવ, એ સંત સ્વયં હરી. ધન્ય ધન્ય એ સંત સુજાણને, એવા સંત માર્યા છે શ્રી હરિ. એવા સંત માર્યા છે શ્રી હરિ. માટે સંત છે સુખનું ધામ, એ સંત સ્વયં હરી. માટે સંત છે સુખનું ધામ, એ સંત સ્વયં હરી. ધન્ય ધન્ય એ સંત સુજાણને, ધર્મ ભક્તિ વૈરાગ ને જ્ઞાન, જે ધર્મ ભક્તિ વૈરાગ્ય ને જ્ઞાન, જે તેનું રહેવાનું સંત છે ધામ, એ સંત સ્વયં હરી. ધન્ય ધન્ય એ સંત સુજાણને, એવા સંત શિરોમણી મળી ગયા, એવા સંત શિરોમણી મળી ગયા, જેને દેહ બુદ્ધિ કરી દૂર, એ સંત સ્વયં હરી. ધન્ય ધન્ય એ સંત સુજાણને, કહે નિષ્કુળાનંદ એને સંગે, કહે નિષ્કુળાનંદ એને સંગે, ઉગે અંતરે આનંદ સુર, એ સંત સ્વયં હરી. ધન્ય ધન્ય એ સંત સુજાણને, જેનું ઉલટી પલટ્યું આપ, એ સંત સ્વયં હરી. ધન્ય ધન્ય એ સંત સુજાણને, ધન્ય 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 મારા નાથને. આજે આજે પ્રગટ પ્રમાણ મહારાજ, ગુણાતીત સંતમાં. ધન્ય 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 મારા નાથને. સજાનંદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય.
जय स्वामीनारायण। ने साल मुबारक, दिवाली. I wasn't planning to sing, but what happened is that I was coming from the Bartlett, and on the way I just thought of it. I'm going to Dinkar Bhai's house, and for the special puja, so I wrote it in a car, and I thought I'll devote that bhajan. So I'll just sing that. मोहे लागी लगन, मोहे लागी लगन, मोहे लागी लगन, तेरे दर्शन की मोहे लागी लगन, मोहे लागी लगन, मोहे लागी लगन, तेरे दर्शन की. जैसे बन में पपीहा मन में, जैसे बन में पपीहा मन में, आस करे नित बरसन की, आस करे नित बरसन की, मोहे लागी लगन, मोहे लागी लगन, मोहे लागी लगन, तेरे दर्शन की मोहे लागी लगन, मोहे लागी लगन, मोहे लागी लगन, तेरे दर्शन की. गले बनमाला मुकुट विशाला, गले बनमाला मुकुट विशाला, येत वसन सुंदर तन की, येत वसन सुंदर तन की, मोहे लागी लगन, मोहे लागी लगन, मोहे लागी लगन, तेरे दर्शन की मोहे लागी लगन, मोहे लागी लगन, मोहे लागी लगन, मैं तेरे दर्शन की. ब्रह्मानंद प्यास मन माही, ब्रह्मानंद प्यास मन माही, ब्रह्मानंद प्यास मन माही, चरण कमल युग दर्शन की, चरण कमल युग दर्शन की, मोहे लागी लगन, मोहे लागी लगन, मोहे लागी लगन, तेरे दर्शन की मोहे लागी लगन, मोहे लागी लगन, मोहे लागी लगन, तेरे दर्शन की.
બીજું ગાવું છે?
नन्हा सा फूल हूँ मैं, चरणों की धूल हूँ मैं, नन्हा सा फूल हूँ मैं, चरणों की धूल हूँ मैं, आई हूँ मैं तेरे द्वार, प्रभु जी मेरी पूजा करो स्वीकार, प्रभु जी मेरी पूजा करो स्वीकार. नन्हा सा फूल हूँ मैं, चरणों की धूल हूँ मैं। नन्हा सा फूल हूँ मैं, चरणों की धूल हूँ मैं। आई हूँ मैं तेरे द्वार, प्रभु जी मेरी पूजा करो स्वीकार। प्रभु जी मेरी पूजा करो स्वीकार। हो मैं तो निर्गुणिया, बस इतनी बात है। मेरे जीवन की डोरी अब तेरे हाथ है। हो मैं तो निर्गुणिया, बस इतनी बात है। मेरे जीवन की डोरी अब तेरे हाथ है। थोड़ा सा गुण मिल जाए, निर्धन को धन मिल जाए। थोड़ा सा गुण मिल जाए, निर्धन को धन मिल जाए। मानो तुम्हारा उपकार, प्रभु जी मेरी पूजा करो स्वीकार। प्रभु जी मेरी पूजा करो स्वीकार। नन्हा सा फूल हूँ मैं, चरणों की धूल हूँ मैं। आई हूँ मैं तेरे द्वार, प्रभु जी तेरी पूजा करो स्वीकार। प्रभु जी मेरी पूजा करो स्वीकार। थैंक यू।
Okay, very good, Saras. According to this Indian calendar, today is the first day of the new year. And I was surprised to find out that I was talking to one of our devotees' daughter in Lincoln. And I said, what is the year count today? So she says 2015. So today so many people have said Happy New Year, right? Most of them. But how many of you know the real year count today? Good. It is 2071. So that year is different than the year that we normally know, 2014 year. And that year is based on a very famous king back in India. His name was Vikram. Vir Vikram, King Vikram. He was the king in the town called Ujjain. And he was so nice, he was so caring that people all over India remembered him. And they started counting from that day, the calendar day, Before that, the count was from the birth of Lord Krishna, which is about 5,000 plus some years ago. And both of these calendars are based on the lunar cycle of the moon. and cycle of the moon is 29.5 days, and if you count 12 months, then it is 356 days. So it is short by 11 days. 9 days, sorry. 9 days, right? So every third year there is a leap year. Add one more month. It's called Adhik Mas, and that balances out, And then after certain years there is leap month, so there is no Adhik Mas also. So every 400 years it balances with the solar cycle, That's how the whole calculations are made. So that year is like 56 years difference between the English calendar and our Hindu calendar. Vikram was born 56 years before Jesus Christ. So that's how this calendar is calculated. And after the birth of Lord Swaminarayan, the believers of Lord Swaminarayan has started the calendar year also. And that is 234 this year. And that starts on the 9th of Chaitra, month of Chaitra, somewhere in March, April time frame. So there are varieties of calendars, But in India for many, many years this is celebrated, and they use firecrackers during this time in India. A lot of, crackers and rockets and other things, When I was young, I used to carry that rocket Hawaii on my hand. It would be lit, and when it is ready, we will throw. So it will go even more height, And even when I was more younger than that, I had a little firecracker in my hand, and I thought I was going to throw away, and it exploded, And I thought that I lost my fingers, They all became numb for about 1 day, maybe. It was that bad, But anyhow, they enjoy like 4th of July here in India, So on this day, we have lot of varieties of food, Today we combined 4 things together, 4 occasions together, or even more, One was the 13th day of the previous month, Dhanteras. Then the 15th or 30th day, Diwali, Chopra Pujan. We did both that, Dhan Puja and Chopra Pujan, And the reason we did that if we do it on yesterday, which was Thursday, then all of you have to come. And if we have to do it on Tuesday for the Dhanteras, then all of you have to come. During the weekdays, it becomes harder, So, Pintu Bhai and everybody, we thought of you, that we can do it on Friday. That would be better and easier. And then if we have to stay a little bit late on Friday, Saturday is not a rush day, So, that's what we plan to do that. But today being the first of the year, we had nice food today also. Normally, on our last years and years before, when we had this big Annakut, a lot of food, I normally eat less varieties than I ate today, I had so many varieties today, It was like Annakut, And then, in India, today is the 2nd day of the month. It's already past. it's the morning. And it is called Bhai Bij. It is the day where brother goes to the sister's home. There are two occasions in the year. One occasion brother goes to the sister home, and another occasion is that sister goes to brother's home. And they have significance. They have reason for that. This is the season in India where a lot of crop and a lot of food is back from the farm to the home. And brother goes to the sister's home because sister gets married to somebody else. Somebody else's financial conditions are not predictable. So once in a year, brother goes and visits the sister's home to find out how she is doing, to find out whether she is okay or not. So then the sister prepares the food, and that food gives the signal to brother. That how poor or how fair or how, in between her family is, So if she has a lot of sweets and a lot of varieties and a lot of food, then brother is happy, saying that my sister is doing okay. But if she brings, 2 days old bread and not enough food in the dish, brother is eating, But when he goes home, then he brings the grains and other things in the cart to the sister's home and replenishes the sister's house. So that is the signal that on this day, brother and sister have that kind of caring, for each other. So we have a bull cart here. And the dog. So, Kusumben is giving a signal that bull cart is empty. Barelus? Okay. It's so small, so she has a bigger pot next to that filled with grapes. Full of grapes. But on this day, brother and sister has this kind of caring with each other. Then there is a day which is called Raksha Bandhan. It is coming somewhere in July, August time frame. That now sister goes to the brother's home. And that is the time before the monsoon season or during the monsoon season. So sister goes to the brother's home and prays to God and ties the Rakhi and prays to God that let the good weather and good monsoon season come so he gets good crop in the farm. So if there is any need, he will help me, So this is how the occasions are celebrated. So today we have 4 occasions, Dhanteras, Chapda Pujan, Diwali, first day of the year, and second day of the year, which is Bhai Bij, But our Bhai Bij is tomorrow, Saturday. So my Saturday is booked at 3 places. There are more, but, others are considerate, So in the morning I'm going to go to our sister, Motiben, Bapo's home for a lunch. Then in between I'm going to go to our Mahendra Bhai's home, Jayaben. She is also like my sister, And then we are going to go to our Indira Ben. She is our sister also. So we have 3 places. And I wanted to go one more place, our Taru Ben's place. But we are going to plan that on Monday or Tuesday. No, Tuesday you are leaving. Yeah. Right. So she is leaving to India on Tuesday with a one-way ticket. And she went to the Social Security office to do all this Social Security adjustments, So Social Security people says, why are you taking one-way ticket rather than round trip, So she is a lawyer, very educated woman, but she acts like a little baby to those Social Security people. He says,
Make them laugh.
right. She says that I don't know anything, but I have a brother who lives in Waukegan. He told me to take one-way ticket, so I took one-way ticket. Right. The reason is one-way ticket is that she is not sure when she would want to come back. 2, 3, 4 months, more, less. So if she takes the two-way ticket, then she has to pay the penalty if she changes the date. With one-way ticket, when she buys the ticket back from India, it is cheaper also. Right, Kishore bhai? He always buys from India.
The reason I buy from India is that, when you want to change, the penalty, he charges $150, India charges 2,000 rupees.
Which one is bigger?
Would you choose?
2,000 versus 150. he means
For
America.
India
Is 2,000 is too much. With the year 150 compared to which is
Tomorrow government make $1 is equal to 1 rupee. Nobody is going to stay here out of all people.
They are both the lawyers of their business, So they are defending their business, But anyhow, the point is, that she's going one way, and we pray for her journey. She lost her husband, 3 months ago. 3 months ago now? 2, 3 months ago, yeah. 2.5 months ago. And she was taking very care of her husband, She was very dedicated and all that. But she has a lot of inner strength that she is managing all these things. She is now alone in her apartment, but she is feeling okay, comfortable. And I think this satsang has helped a lot.
And thanks has gone to him. That I told security officer. She said, why you didn't bring him here? I said, he has given me the lesson. And I want to see whether I can pass or fail. Everybody laughed.
Yeah. સરસ સરસ જો આજે બધા સરસ નવા વર્ષે આપણે ભગવાનને પ્રાર્થના કરીએ આપણી તબિયત સારી રહે. We want to pray that our health remains good for the whole year. So we don't want to run the doctors bankrupt, but at least we want to manage our health so that we have to go less visit to the doctors. Number 2, we want to have prosperity at our home. So whatever we earned last year, we should earn more this year. We should have better income this year. And to make it better, the third thing is that we want to spend less this year. Whatever we spent last year, we want to be wiser to spend less this year so that our bank account is better. So it looks like Amy and Vivaben has some talk going. Vimal Kumar? They may be thinking that let our husband spend less.
He says now it is vice versa.
Vice versa? Okay. શું કરવું છે? રશ્મિબેન કંઈ કહેવું છે? અચ્છા. Is it worth hearing? We can hear. Okay. But then, tan, મન અને ધન એવું નોર્મલી આપણે કહીએ છીએ. તનથી with body we are healthy. Man means mind, we are happy. Dhan means prosperity, we are happy. And now we have added one more thing, dhun. Doing chanting. So, whatever we were doing, dhun, last year, we want to do a little bit more this year. So, the chanting and praying will bring spiritual strength within ourselves. And those of you don't find time, call me. I'll help you. I'll do dhun with you. Right, Surat? Yes. Okay. In the beginning, Surat was saying 2 hours, that's too much, And then he decided that he would do dhun before going to sleep, And normally, he goes to sleep like 1 o'clock. And then 2 more hours, like 3 o'clock, that's too much, But then I told Surat that, okay, during the day, I will do dhun with you and we can do dhun together. And we have been doing quite often, Then I'm sure he's enjoying and I'm enjoying. And so many of you, who call me, I normally ask to do some dhun, so that it helps, Today our Nisha Ben had called me. And she was talking about her brother's business issues and problems and other things. And she says, I don't want to go to the office even, I don't feel good, going to his office. Because all these vibrations creates depression, I said, I have a medication. Let's do dhun. So we did for about 45 minutes, 50 minutes, So then I asked her, how do you feel? She says, great. I feel much better. Because I feel better also. So dhun is good, Our Bhaveshni dhun, have you heard Bhavesh dhun? He gets very engrossed and very, deep with God, I like your dhun, beta. Yeah. So, this year we want to add one more factor, dhun. That we want to do at least a little bit more than what we were doing, last year. So with those factors, I think our new year will be very powerful and it would be giving us the new direction, These 2 years are hard years, 2013 and 2014, We have heard so many people, left this earth all of a sudden in 2013. 2014, right? So, we want to pray so that we maintain our good health. So, those are my thoughts for today. And we would have a couple of people, also say something on today. Our Kishore uncle has come from London. And our Pankaj uncle would say something today, on this day. And then we will have grapes.
સહજાનંદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય. બધાને સાલ મુબારક. Happy New Year. May the next year bring the best year for you all. That's my prayer to Dinkar uncle. London thi Bae, Bhavna, Mala Ben, Jayant Bhai, Bharat Bhai, Yannick, Shilpa Ben, Hemant Swami, Leicester thi Vimasi, Mukesh Bhai, Kala Ben, Nottingham thi Jayesh Bhai. બધાએ તમને જાજા કરીને જય સ્વામિનારાયણ અને હેપી ન્યૂ યર ના સંદેશા પાઠવ્યા છે. Sorry, I forgot about you. All the muktos from London, Leicester and Nottingham, wish you all happy new year and jai swaminarayan. My plan was to go to California. Today I would have been in California, but Kusum Ben said, "Evu na chale." So I was thinking, what to do. And then I thought, okay, if she says, and a few as well said, you should be here, not in California. So I changed my plans, and I'm glad I did that. I came yesterday here with Dinkar uncle, and this morning, after the sabha, while Dinkar uncle was leaving, he said, do dhun. So I've been doing dhun, and I was thinking in my mind, what should I do now? Should I ask him when to finish? Then I thought, no, he has told me to do it, so I should carry on. And he just said that you have to increase it from 2 hours to whatever you can. I think it's up. The last time I was here during the Diwali was 2002. And after 12 years, spent the second time here. When I phoned London and Leicester, Vimasi was saying that you had dropped us. I said, no, I haven't dropped you. You're still in my heart. That's why I'm phoning you. I phoned twice. And she asked how to do pujan to Dinkar uncle, so I'll do it when I go upstairs. And she also sends a blessing. They had a very good unquote there, as well in Anupam Mission as well, as an unquote there today. So I spoke to Vasi Bhai, and I said that nearly more than 2,000 satsang is visited. This is the first time. Big crowd, yeah. The mandir was full, and the new compound they built, that was also full. And Bharat Bhai, Vasi Bhai, Bapu sends you all their wishes, and Happy New Year to you all. We are going into 2071 according to the Hindu calendar. Now we want to make sure that we don't lose this happiness. We search for the happiness outside, but you'll never get it outside. Outside will be a waste of time. Happiness comes within. One of my friends sent me a message wishing me that I acquire all the wealth I want. So I replied back to him and said, wealth will not give me happiness. Happiness is the one that gives you wealth. So he said, because you got wealth, that's why you don't say it. But those people who haven't got wealth, they are asking for, For them, the happiness is only wealth. So I said, I've seen many people who got wealth, but they can't enjoy it, and they are still crying. And those who haven't got wealth, they have got happiness, and they're enjoying. So what we want to pray for is the inner happiness rather than the wealth. Swaminarayan Bhagwan has already said that if you come under me, I'll take care of you. So we are lucky, that Lord Swaminarayan has said is taking care of us. All we have to do is surrender to Him. When we say surrender, doesn't mean leave everything, but keep Him in your heart. And we pray to Dinkar uncle that he gives us the strength to be with him and remember his Murti all the time. Sahajanand Swami Maharaj Ni Jai.